Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Amanda at Rainbow 3 Hair Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nella Strophic. Our theme is rainbows. Here is Nailtix Formula 2 as my base, and I'm going to be using an ILNP, and this is Dreamscape. Can get it to focus. Beautiful purple with some serious shimmer going on. Very rainbowy, like all on its own. And we're just going to get this manicure here done. Kept my free edge here after the first coat. And then we're going to go in with the second coat of Dreamscape. Oh, got a little bit of floodage there. My bad. All right, two beautiful coats. I think we're good on that. Hi, Woody. How you doing? All right, we're going to top these with I&Ms out the door. And we're going to get this one ready to do some playing. And cap my free edge with the top coat. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. And I'll be using BMXL23, these little stripes. I've got out my stamper and my scraper card. I'll be using red, yellow, and blue opaque sticky stamping polishes from SheModern today, because it is rainbows. I was going to do 6 colors, but my nails aren't very long or wide, so I decided to just go with 3. Go with 3 polishes and kind of blend them together a little bit. Not too worried about it being like perfect. So giving it the second scrape blends it a little bit there in the middle. And we're going to line this up and try to see if we can get it semi-straight for our rainbows. Ta-da! Going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller and carry on. We've got to clean that plate off real quick. You do want to clean in between. Now, I've seen other girls just go in with more polish, and you can get away with that a couple of times maybe, but I just don't do it because I don't want to be wasting polish on a let's see if it'll work kind of thing. I like to just go ahead and clean it off and go with it. Keep on moving on that way. Okay, that one I only scraped once, but they still look pretty blended, so we're happy with that. We're going to go ahead and get that one plopped on the nail. Now, here on my next nail, it's going to look a little different. I'm going to do it, but I think in the end, I ended up having to redo the middle nails, so I don't know which footage got saved and what got deleted. So if it's different in the end, don't be freaking out. I'm not doing any kind of magic on here. It's just, I had to redo my middle nail because I jacked it up. And I will tell you about... Oh, I skipped it. See, I went on to the pinky nail. But regardless, it's still a true fact about this manicure. So here I'm only using the yellow and the red. And we got orange going in the middle. And so I'm not sure if this is what makes it to the final cut or what. But anywho, just wanted to throw that out there. I didn't want you to see it different in the swatch photo than what you might be seeing here. And now I'm going in with the yellow and the blue over on the ring fingernail. They're still rainbowy. So we've got yellow, blue, and green in the middle. Gonna pick that one up. And that doesn't look so good, but I think there's enough of it good that I can get it on this nail. We're gonna try. There we go. Ta-da! Clean that stamper off. Oh, and the stamper's so pretty. I mean, not the stamper. The lint roller looks so pretty when I get done with this. It's like, and where I cleaned off my scraper card over on the paper towel. So pretty. All rainbowy colors. Very nice. But I'm cleaning everything up so I can put it away and head on to the next part, which is cleanup. I'm going to go around and get some of this excess up with my sticky tape. That's a phrase I picked up from my people over, I think, in England. I think that's how a lot of them say it, sticky tape. Cleaning up with acetone here real quick. All right, now we're going to top these with the smudge-free top coat. Now see, okay, you're back to, I'm redoing whatever. We'll be using this Manitude and Yellow Brick Road plate, and it says somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue. And I have to tell you, because you can't really see it, even in my swatch photo, it looks a little smudged. I don't think it was, but on camera it did look smudged. But first we got to get this blue film off of it, and Woody is trying his best over here. Struggle bussing. Come on, there we go. Get it to peel up a little bit so we can pull it. But you want to hold on to that plate and not bend it. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I'll be using the SheModern Sticky Opaque Black Stamping Polish for this. And how I messed it up was I made a decal. And when I put the decal on, it kind of separated. And the words were like totally separate from each other. It was like splitting down the middle. Like if there was a big tree growing up in the middle of it. So I ended up deciding instead of making another decal, I would just straight up stamp it in, which is what I should have done in the first place. I'm getting all this excess up off of the stamper that I don't want on my nail. Being very careful. And using the SheModern Sticky Stamping Polish, you don't have to be in a hurry. Now I'm trying to make sure this will fit on my little bit of nail here. I didn't want to shrink it. So there it is. We're going to clean up our stamping plate and get it ready to put away with the other one. I just clean it with acetone and wipe it over with a lint-free wipe. And then I'm going to top this again with the smudge-free top coat. And remember, it says somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue. Maybe it did smear a little bit, but not terrible. We're going to run with it anyway. Now, once that top coat's dried, I'm going to go in with my final top coat. And today I'm using the ILNP Out the Door. I'm going to get this one to Dunded. And that is my manicure. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment if you'd like. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.